You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these type of shape of pasta, type of ravioli, for more names of different pasta names and names from Italian cuisine. Make sure to stay tuned. Let's look into how the Italians say it. Agnolotti. Alright, so let's break it down. Agno, yes, G-N in Italian is pronounced gn, near. So, agnolotti. Because you have a double T, you need to make the T twice as long. Really stress on that T. Lotti. Agnolotti. Agnolotti is how the Italians say it, so in English rather similarly, agnolotti, agnolotti. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.